Hi Forex traders, hope you all are well. I am an official member of FOREX BD. Basically, in today's video, we will discuss who should trade in Forex and who should not do trade in Forex. We have a purpose behind Forex trading or doing anything, and that is to make money. And it can be said that people work to earn money. Suppose you want to drive, but if you don't know driving, will anyone give you a job? No, never. Your main condition for getting a job is you must know that job or driving, and knowing how to drive is your quality. Similarly, if you want to earn money by Forex trading, you need to have some qualities. In other words, in order to be successful in Forex, there are some requirements that a Forex trader must have. So today's video is to discuss this topic. I hope this video will be very useful for those who are new or those who are thinking of doing Forex trading or those who are losing money in Forex. So I hope you will watch the video carefully till the end, and those who want to get this kind of Forex related information can follow this playlist. Here you will get most important tips of Forex. And I will request you to subscribe FOREX BD's another new channel. Then you will get awesome video from this channel. And before starting the video, I would like to say those who don't subscribe our FOREX BD, please subscribe and click the bell icon for never miss any update. Because your one subscribe can inspire us a lot. So let's go. The first one is investment. Success in Forex largely depends on investment. For example, some people think we need more investment and some people think we need less investment. But it's said that the higher your investment, the lower your risk, and the less your investment, the more your risk. But if you just investing big amount but don't follow trade management or don't have Forex experience, then you will be loser. Suppose you invest $500. From there, if you lost $10, that means you will lose 2% and you still have $490, and this amount will seem big to you, so you will not feel any pressure. But when you invest $100 and you lost $10 from there, that means you lost 10%, then you have just $90, and then you get emotionally stressed because $10 doesn't look big amount for $500, but $10 seems big for $100 account. So even if you are a good skillful trader, you will not be able to use your skill due to this stress. And one thing is hard to believe, most traders in our country can't invest above $100 or $150. There are even many traders who can't invest $100. So those traders have a higher risk of loss and they also make a loss. The less you read before the exam, the less you will get in the examination. Similarly, the less you invest in Forex, the more risk you will have. So those who are thinking of doing Forex real trading should think about a good investment, or if you can't afford it, practice with a cent account and then increase the deposit amount with a long plan. Professionals believe that Forex is for good investor. Now, many of you think that if you invest a large amount, then you will get benefit from Forex, so you will invest with a loan. But no, never do that. There is a huge gap between loan money and own money, because if you lost your money, you don't have to make any excuse or return it to anyone. So there will be no pressure in you. But you have to repay the loan one day, so there will be pressure on you, and we have also discussed in details in a video about the danger of trading with loan money. You can watch this video if you want. Patience person. You are a patient person or an impatient person, you know that very well. There is no need to come to Forex to understand this. There are many people who have been completely impatient since childhood. They can't keep patience in any case. I would say Forex is not for them. If you can't be patient in any time of your life, how can you be patient in Forex? Perhaps Forex is a place in the world where patience is most needed. And the test of patience must be given step by step in Forex, because as soon as you open a trade on Forex, you see $0.50 or $1 minus. Again, many times trade come very close to SL and turn the market and went to TP. But if you become impatient and close the trade, then when you will profit? So first thing about whether you can be patient in Forex. The other thing is greed. Every human being is greedy in one way or another, and everyone is more greedy for money. But we have heard many stories about how greed destroys people. And Forex is a place where greedy destroys. Because when a few trade comes in your favor, you become greedy. Then you will think that your strategy is working 100%. So you will trade by increasing the lot size. And you will break money management, and you will break all tips and tricks. And for this you will bring your own loss. So before you come to Forex, think carefully about whether you can invest a good amount, whether you have patience, and whether you can control your greed. Last point, not being able to stay steady in any work. We all want to earn money at a time, but we can't keep ourselves steady to learn a job to earn money. You do a job for a while, then if you don't see the success, then you leave this job without giving enough time. Then you start another job, and again you leave this job without getting success. That means we don't give the enough time to learn a job. We take a job and leave it again without giving enough time. This is how we continue. In the end, no work we learn because we can't concentrate on a task in a fixed way. And that's why we think that this job may not be for us. So we leave it and move on to another job. If you have such a habit, you will never learn Forex. You should and must destroy this habit before coming to Forex. For gaining profit, you have to choose a good broker house because they have much spread and fee in market maker broker house. You will finish yourself by paying their fee and spread. So create your account in good broker. We suggest some broker. First one is IC Market, the true ECN. Second one is Tickmill, they have zero spread. Third one is Light Forex, a right broker in Forex market. In 3 account, verification system are same, so you can upload your document in 3 account. Which broker approve your account first, you should deposit on that account. Good broker's policy is also good, so you need to verify first. Verify your account by your document. For your account safety, you have to create your account with strong reference. If you create your account by FOREX BD's link, you will get benefit. FOREX BD can help you if you face any problem. If you create your skill and $1 account by FOREX BD's link, you can verify your account without any deposit. There will be less transfer fee. So create your any types of account by FOREX BD's link. Those who want Forex related English video, they can go to playlist. There have a playlist where all video in English. You will get all link in video description. So viewers, a humble request to you, if you like this video, please share it and give us a like. It motivates us to make more awesome videos for you. And if you have any request, please write down in comment box. FOREX BD try their level best to keep your request. So viewers, if you like this video, please subscribe and click the bell icon for never miss any update. Like, comment and share this video. If you have any request, write down in comment box. FOREX BD obviously try to fulfill your request. So be safe, be healthy, be with us. Goodbye, tata.